Part of our mission at ORS is to empower you for a successful today and a secure tomorrow. We believe retirement planning is vital to realizing that goal. That's why we've published a countdown to retirement. When you're within 2 to 5 years of retirement, log into my account and review your service credit totals for accuracy. You may also name a pension beneficiary and a refund beneficiary. Use the Estimate Pension function to estimate your pension and explore the various payment options. This will provide how much you can expect to receive in your monthly pension from the state of Michigan. This is also a good time to view our 5-step Planning Your Retirement online presentation and to download our most current version of the accompanying workbook. About 18 months from retirement, research the retirement system's health care plan for your family and verify your eligibility for those plans. The checklist on our website links you to information about the different insurance carrier options. At 12 months away, you'll want to go to the Social Security Administration's website and get an estimate of your Social Security benefits. This will give you a good idea of your post-retirement income. As your countdown continues and you're 6 months away from retirement, review your personal account details using My Account. Read through health, dental, prescription drug, and vision plan information to learn what benefits are available to you and your dependents in retirement and how much those benefits cost. At this point, you'll start gathering any proofs and supporting documents needed to apply. See the How to Apply section of the ORS website for details. Around this same time, if either you or your spouse will be eligible for Medicare at the time of retirement, you'll need to enroll in Medicare Part A and Part B. You should do this several months before retirement to ensure no interruption in insurance coverage. When retirement is 3 months away, apply in My Account. After applying, mail or fax a copy of your required proofs to ORS. Be sure to update your address, phone number, and email address in My Account. You'll want to switch your email from your work email address to a personal one. At last, when you're retired, ORS will send your award letter, and you'll receive your pension payments on the 25th of each month. Congratulations! Let ORS help with your countdown to retirement. For more information, click the link in the description.